Hey there, Gen Z. Are you ready to take charge of your financial future and unlock the secrets to making money in today's world? From leveraging the gig economy to mastering investments, this video is your ultimate guide. Stay with us, because by the end, you'll have the tools to crush your financial goals and become unstoppable. Let's dive in. We're living in one of the most dynamic economic eras ever. Technology is reshaping industries, and the job market is shifting faster than ever. But what does this mean for you? It means opportunities, if you know where to look. The global economy is becoming increasingly digital. Remote work is thriving, and entire industries are being disrupted by AI and automation. The good news: Gen Z is uniquely equipped to thrive in this environment. Start by researching growing industries. Tech, renewable energy, e-commerce, and online education are booming. Ask yourself, how can I plug into these opportunities? Here's the game changer: access. For the first time in history, information and financial tools are at your fingertips. Whether it's investing, saving, or starting a business, everything you need is online. Follow financial influencers, read up on economic trends, and use free resources like YouTube tutorials and blogs to deepen your knowledge. Alright, let's talk basics. The foundation of any financial strategy is knowing where your money's going. Budgeting isn't boring, it's empowering. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Pocket Guard to track your expenses. Set up categories for needs, wants, and savings. Let's face it, life happens. An emergency fund is your safety net. Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Start small, even $20 a week adds up. Create a game for yourself. Can you cut one small expense a day to boost your savings? Debt doesn't have to hold you back. The key is knowing how to manage it. Understand your loan terms. If you've got federal student loans, look into income-driven repayment plans. Make extra payments whenever possible. Even small ones help. Credit cards can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Use them responsibly. Pay off the balance in full every month, and never spend more than you can afford to repay. Build credit, don't build debt. Here's the secret to building wealth. Start investing early. The power of compound interest is like magic. If you invest $100 a month starting at age 20, you could have over $300,000 by age 60, assuming a 7% annual return. Wait until 30, and that number drops to $150,000. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and index funds. Use apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Wealthfront to get started. Why make things harder than they need to be? Fintech is here to simplify your financial life. Budget with YNAB, invest with Stash, or save effortlessly with Digit. These tools make managing money intuitive. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: crypto. Crypto is exciting but volatile. Invest only what you can afford to lose and stick to well-established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Sometimes, you need an expert. That's where financial advisors come in. Look for fee-only advisors who don't earn commissions. This ensures their advice is unbiased. Never stop learning. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Check out free courses on platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, or edX. It's never too early to start thinking about retirement. Contribute to a 401k if your employer offers one, especially if they match contributions. It's free money. Life changes, and so should your retirement plan. Review it annually to make sure you're on track. Side hustles are the name of the game. Try freelancing, blogging, selling on Etsy, or driving for Uber. Find what works for you. Remember, self-employment comes with tax responsibilities. Set aside 20 to 30% of your income for taxes, and keep detailed records of your expenses. Spend intentionally. Every dollar is a step toward your goals, or away from them. Before every purchase, ask yourself, does this align with my values? Money is important, but so is your mental health. Don't sacrifice one for the other. The world changes fast. Stay ahead by staying informed. Subscribe to financial podcasts, follow market news, and join communities like Reddit's r/personal finance. Your network is your net worth. Connect with like-minded individuals and mentors. Attend events, join LinkedIn groups, and build relationships. Alright, Gen Z, the time to act is now. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, your financial future is in your hands. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more game-changing advice. Let's grow together. Until next time, stay empowered and keep hustling.